Welcome to 205 Piute Trce in beautiful Tellico Village. Move-in ready. Every detail exceeds expectations with stunning lake views from every angle. Step inside to this open floor plan designed for everyday living and entertainment. Floor-to-ceiling windows in the great room provide natural light throughout. This Chef's Island kitchen was created for great meals with all new KitchenAid appliances. It's complemented by this convenient coffee bar and the full dining room looking out on the lake. Your bedrooms provide the style and privacy everyone will appreciate. The primary suite offers a breathtaking view with access to your covered deck. Enjoy the convenience of 2 walk-in closets, a master bath with dual vanities, and this huge tiled walk-in shower. The terrace level offers this incredible recreational room, complete with a bar to host your special gatherings. 2 additional bedrooms serve your guests or family members. A flex room, perfect for exercise or hobbies. This workshop with outside access. And just take in the dedicated wine area. With adventures on Tellico Lake beginning at your private dock, 205 Piute Trce is a waterfront oasis that you can call your own. Don't miss this opportunity. Call Susan Akagi of Tellico Lake Realty direct at 865-643-0553.